guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, welcome to you as well. So today we are going to be making some homemade pumpkin pancakes. So here's the ingredients. Sorry about that. That was my daughter Iris, my 1-year-old. So today the ingredients we are going to need is some salt. I use this pink Himalayan salt, a little bit of butter, baking powder, 1 egg, tiny bit of maple syrup. I'm using the whole wheat flour for my daughter's pancakes, but you can go ahead and use any kind of flour you want. Some pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have the pumpkin pie spice, you can substitute it for cinnamon and nutmeg. Some pumpkin, some vanilla, and she's grumpy this morning, guys, and some milk of your choice. I am using the whole milk because my 1-year-old, the grumpy one, is going to be eating them. So I will show you the next step. Okay, so now in a bowl, we are going to add 1 cup of our flour. Bear with me while I open it, guys. So we are going to add 1 cup right into our bowl. Now we are going to add a tablespoon of our baking powder. There's a tablespoon. We are going to add our salt, just a pinch of salt. And then we are going to add our pumpkin pie spice. Now you're going to just add this to taste. If you want it stronger, you can put more in. If you don't really care for the taste of it, don't put a lot in, but you just basically add it to your preference. My girls happen to love pumpkin, so we're going to add quite a bit in there. And then we're just going to mix this. Mixing all our dry ingredients, and then we are going to set it aside. And in a different bowl, we are going to add 1 cup of our milk. Oh, I'm knocking everything over, guys. I hope you all had a great 4th of July. Hope you guys went and did something super fun. 1/3 cup of pumpkin. We didn't do too much. I've been having some tummy trouble. I'm thinking it's IBS. I actually have a consult, a telehealth consult with the gastro on Friday because I have to go the state over, which is where our major hospital is 1 state over. It's only about an hour from me, but still I have to go down there. So I have a telehealth consult with them. And I'm really thinking all the signs lead to IBS, and I'm really thinking that's what it is. So we didn't really go out and do fireworks because everyone knows with IBS, make sure that if you're having an attack, you're close to a bathroom. And I was having an attack. So instead we just went and we got chocolate shakes. Well, my daughter and my husband got chocolate shakes from McDonald's, and they drank those, and we all watched Chicago Fire. It's a pretty good 4th of July, if I do say so myself. So now we are going to add the 1 egg. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our maple syrup. This is the Great Value pure maple syrup is what we're using. And then we are going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm just using this imitation vanilla. It doesn't really bother us, the imitation kind. And then we are going to melt our 2 tablespoons of butter down, and we are going to add that. And then we are going to go ahead and give this a mix. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, so I added the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Make sure you melt it down into this wet batch. Now we are just going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients and stir them. So, hope everyone is having a wonderful Monday. No Monday blues. Mondays, I know, after the 3-day weekend especially, Mondays are kind of blah. But it's supposed to be nice here. It's supposed to get up to 83. So I think me and the girls are going to be outside and they're going to go in our little pool. I'm going to work on the garden some. We have plenty of stuff to plant. We got our chicken coop. I'm going to be working on that. They're finally big enough to move outside. We're waiting on our fence. We had to order our fence from Tractor Supply and have it shipped to the store. Should be in tomorrow or Wednesday, it said. Super excited to put them outside. Next year we're going to order some more chickens. We're going to go halves with my mom. You have to order 15 chickens off this site. And we're going to order some Brahmas, which if you know Brahmas, they are the fluffy chickens, the world's friendliest chickens. So we are going to go ahead and order some of those. It's going to be awesome. So now that it's fully incorporated, you are going to cook all your pancake batter over medium heat. And I will show you guys when that's done. And they are done, guys. I made about 4 of the medium size ones and 4 of the mini ones. And I know that they look a little brown, but that is okay. I got busy dealing with the children, and that is what happened. But they are super good, super easy, definitely kid-friendly. The kids love them. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment down below. And remember, you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. I'll see you in the next one.